Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and use a VPN on your Mac. Let's get started. First things first, we need to download a VPN to our Mac. Open your web browser and search for a VPN of your choice. In this example, we'll be using IPVanish VPN. You can find a link to download it in the description below or in the pinned comment for a special discount. To download, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar and click on the Mac option. On the Mac download page, click Download App. Choose where to save the installer. I'm saving mine to the desktop. Once downloaded, open the installer. Simply drag and drop the IPVanish logo into the Applications folder. This might take a few seconds depending on your Mac's speed. After installation, close the installer window and if you want, you can delete the installer file from your Mac. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm using Launchpad. Since it's the first time opening it, you'll see a prompt. Click Open. You'll be taken to the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details and log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a significant discount. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. Now you're ready to use the VPN. Let me show you how to change your Netflix region. Open your web browser. I've found this works better on browsers other than Safari for Netflix. As you can see, we're currently on the UK version of Netflix. To change this, open the IPVanish app. Click on Locations on the left sidebar and select the region you want to switch to. I'm going to use a US server. There are multiple US servers, so pick the one closest to you, in my case, Boston. Once selected, it'll take a few seconds to connect. Now that we're connected, we can close the VPN app. Open Netflix again and refresh the page. After a few seconds, the page will refresh, and you'll now be browsing the US version of Netflix. Now you can select the TV show you want to watch and enjoy. Remember, click the link in the description or pinned comment to get a significant discount on your IPVanish account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.